Trinidad, Galway, Ike Fresh,
Trinidad Studios, Gunwood. Another brand new rhythm.
Don't you know it's Trinidad?
Introducing the African girl rhythm. So here right now.
If this kind of music was a man, I'll definitely come for you.
I zim dance all to the world right now. In the meantime, this is one of the maddest and baddest rhythm right here in Zimbabwe. The African girl. Just wanna big up all the Trinidad family. Ricky Perplex, enough respect. Ricky Perplex. So let me get busy. Ricky Perplex. Alright, Ricky Perplex.
Yo, man, big up in the respect sphere. I just want to big up us.
Introducing Ricky Perplex.
Mama Africa.
Big up all the woman them from South Africa. Whoa.
Give me an African girl. Hey, Ike Fresh. Yeah, man, to the highest of level. I just want to big up all the African woman them, you know. Hey. Give me an African girl, real Zimbabwean girl, Ethiopian girl. Me I go rock a world, rock a world. Yeah, man, blessed beloved. It's a one for the woman them, you know. Gone with Ike Fresh. It's all about the woman them right now, you know. Ricky Perplex. Yo, man, big up in the respect sphere. I just want to big up us African ladies, you know. Mama Africa.
Big up all the woman them from South Africa.
Give me an African girl. Real South African girl,
brand new
Ethiopian girl. Me I go rock a world,
so massive. Log on right now, log on.
African girl, real South African girl, Ethiopian girl.
In the meantime,
give me no.
Listen, hear this.
Make them know say what a blessing. Say me come touring ya. I get myself a girl from Pretoria. She me ready fi go fly back a Victoria. Give me the loving when she I go keep in memory.
Hey, on this. Take it one more time, you know.
Yo, man, big up in the respect sphere. I just want to big up us African ladies, you know. Mama Africa.
One of the baddest rising dance artists, Ricky Perplex.
Give me an African girl, real South African girl.
My name DJ Ike Fresh,
girl,
representing Trinidad.
Rock a word. Give me an African girl, real South African girl, Ethiopian girl. Give me no.
Me DJ, come again.
Make them know say what a blessing. Say me come touring ya. I forget myself a girl from Pretoria. She me ready fi go fly back a Victoria. Give me the loving when she a go keep in memorial. And the Cape Town ladies them fi come roll with us.
Yo, it's creation to the world and
we no phobias. And the woman them we notorious. Rastaman say and the woman them we victorious.
Get me one from Johannesburg.
Make she feel she coulda fly up just like a bird.
Brand new.
She have to run go and fi spread the word.
She's hot,
hotter than that. Girl look fine and all them on rat. African girl,
creation.
Only for fire, creation one dot. You are hotter than that.
Creation, talk to the people.
It's like a fire that is burning. Burning my soul once more.
Creation to the world.
I got this feeling that is growing.
We have God with the producer of this rhythm.
On your door, I keep knocking.
When music is nice, you gotta play twice.
Yo, it's creation to the world. I love it, and I straight. Trinidad, yeah.
Trinidad.
Yes, I me love it again. Creation wanna love it again.
Yes, I me love it again. I fresh love it again.
It's like a fire that is burning.
A fire will burn.
Burning my soul once more.
I don't know haters make I famous sin.
I got this feeling that is growing.
Blood clots.
On your door I keep knocking.
So right now hit this.
She's hot, hotter than that. Girl look fine and all them on rat. African girl, hotter than that. Only for fire.
If you're proud to be an African,
you are hot, hotter than that.
Wave your hand right now. Wave your hand. Wave your hand. Wave your hand.
Girl, hotter than that. Only for fire. Creation.
Big up the crew right now.
Big it up to your mama and your God. Same respect that to your papa and
your Rwanda.
That pretty face see you come from Botswana. Send this one you to
Sarah come.
Zimbabwe see you come long to see. Creation and alone see you come long to see.
Ricky Perplex told me about this Zulu girl.
Froze right by ready fear sharp girl.
So right now massive. Introducing K Patrick.
K Patrick VII.
A brand new featuring confused.
She send me a call me back. Me no take no time fi call her back.
True name
me
text.
no want do things behind her back.
Ladies,
together like
this one is for you. Hear this.
Baby,
she want me fi text.
Text.
She beg me, please text.
Jeez.
She want me fi text. She know say me have the airtime fi
A
wait.
dancer party.
this one is not the way things are run. Me cannot wait till.
Come on, girl. One more time. Remember, this rhythm is called the African Girl Rhythm. Brand new.
Call me back. Me no take no time fi call her back.
Trinidad Studios.
Do things behind her back. We move together.
Me can't stop picking up Gunwit, man. Cause you're
She want me
mad.
fi text. She beg me, please text.
Yeah.
She want me fi text. She know say me have the airtime fi wait.
Love the whole family.
Sorry to say this fun is not the way things are run. Me cannot wait till you come, girl.
Hey, Patrick.
For the rhythm I done, me gonna make you me unbreathing love till we grown, girl. You gotta sit on me throne, wearing the crown.
Trinidad.
Don't take me for fun, girl. Yo, the interest have shown the way you perform. We second to none, girl.
Right now.
Cause now for girl wish to be by me side. Can't you see the way them a come me yard? You on this gangster.
Can you not
me
know?
love you bad.
It's really mad, you know. Confused.
No take no time fi call her back. Me no want do things behind her back. We move together like shoe and sock. Baby,
She want me fi
text.
text. She beg me, please.
Bring me DJ. How we move on?
when nobody girl, this
It's Mali Body Case again.
girl, you a goody goody
Got
girl,
you
you hot
hot,
hot. Girl, you a goody goody girl, you hot hot. Move your body way you wine your heart.
No girl got it like you.
Girl, you a goody goody girl, you hot hot. Girl,
Brand
you
new.
a goody goody, you hot. Way you move your body, way you wine
The
your
African
heart.
girl.
No girl got it like you.
Ladies, listen, hear this.
Wine and follow, girl. Don't stop. Start wine slow, girl.
Come again, me DJ.
Wine your body, girl. Wine your body, girl. Start wine your body, girl. Wine your body, girl. This is Smiley on the game.
Here we go.
Girl, you a goody goody girl, you hot. Girl, you a goody goody girl, you hot. Move your body way
Believe
you
it or
wine
not,
your heart. No girl got
this really mashing up the whole world, you know.
goody girl, you hot. Girl, you a goody goody.
Zimbabwe, the whole of Africa, the Caribbean, Canada.
No girl got it like
Hear this.
Tick tock, wine and follow, girl. Don't stop, start wine slow, girl. Get mad, wine pon the floor, girl. Go on like a stripper, start wine
Ladies!
pon the girl.
You a goody goody girl full of style. Some of them girl can fit your profile. You like top the place when time you smile. Up to date in a latest
Are you smiling?
Girl, you a goody goody girl.
You're hot.
Girl, you a goody goody girl. You hot. Move your body way you wine your heart.
This is one of the ladies, them.
Got it like you. Girl, you a goody goody girl. You hot. Girl,
Strictly for the ladies, you know.
You hot.
Man to a woman is a balance.
Way you wine your
How we say man to a man, we burn them away.
Me love the way you whine, girl. You're full of style. Clothes brand new, latest designer. No girl hotter than you alone a finer. Me sing like Alexio, baby who no shine.
You are the artist, you're the
June.
hottest. None of them dirty girl could I ever contest. You are the flyest, your levels are the highest.
Introducing
Naturally, some girl are buy.
Junior Vibes.
Everybody gone, yeah. We put her right in the corner. She have the big booty and the black beauty. It's like
Junior bend it like a banana.
Bend her like a banana.
For the ladies again.
Bend her like a banana.
One more time.
From life to everybody gone, yeah. We put her right in the corner. She have the big booty and the black
You know what the ladies them in the dance right now. Trinidad.
Me a bend her like a banana. Bend
Gang
her
with
like
Ike
a
Fresh.
banana. African
And we are mash it up right here in Zimbabwe.
Bend her like a banana.
Brand new.
Bend her like a banana. Me a bend her like a banana.
Hey.
African queen,
Hey.
wind and catch it.
Hey.
Bend her like a banana.
All right, settle.
Wine up, bend down, touch your toes. Sit down on it, one ride, that's all. If anybody asks how you do it, just tell them the killer taught you so. Don't stop,
Don't stop.
Turn around, do it non-stop. Every boy say them love the way.
Junior Vibes.
Let's more liquor to your glass. Me a bend her like a banana. Bend her like a banana.
Now we are mash it up.
Get girl, she a 1 pound cocky. Me a bend her like a banana.
Them better know that this is Trinidad.
Like a banana. Me a bend her like
Again
a
with production.
banana. African queen, she a kint and catch it. Me a bend her like a
Straight out of Zimbabwe.
yellow skin look like a bleacher.
What?
That boy want dance bleacher. Then
Smoking hot, African princess, legend Ellie. Ooh,
Auntie
African woman, your body and for feet like so. You sexy full of flair and soul, and of them a can't wine, and I coulda never wiggle like you. 'Cause your hotness is a gift. Girl, you are hot in a dot, in a dress, in a mini, hot in a dot, in a pink, in a blue, hot in a dot, in a sports, in a jeans, hot in a dot.
Get used to the rhythm, man.
Me got a hot in a dot, with a night, with a formal, hot in a dot, with a polo, with a clock.
Brand new.
In a any type of fashion, hot in a dot, girl.
Hear this.
No face name Amina, hey. Name Sabina,
Nickname Stamina.
'cause you know you strong enough. Than the girl them Regina and Famina.
Take it one more time.
Talk to them. Smoking hot, African princess,
Legend Ellie.
Legend Ellie. Ooh,
Here we go.
woman, your body and for feet like so. You sexy full of flair and soul, and of them a can't wine, and I coulda never wiggle like you. 'Cause your hotness is a gift, my girl. You are hot in a dot, in a dress, in a mini, hot in a dot, in a pink, in a blue, hot in a dot, in a sports, in a jeans, hot in a dot, hot in a dot, hot in a dot. The night where you formal, hot in a dot, with a polo, with a clocks, hot in a dot, in a any type of fashion, hot in a dot, girl.
Hear this.
No face name Amina, me the name Sabina.
Nickname Stamina.
'Cause you know you strong enough. Than the girl them Regina and Famina. Them tell us over the fitting and a caramel skin.
Legend Ellie.
Your friend me have to know where you get your body. We hear you are one girl, what a calamity and what a sin.
The African girl rhythm. Amaxton. Listen to this man, hear this. Hear this, hear this, boss, hear this. This one is for the haters, them. How we accept upper classic. Hit it, hit it. Najuda. One more time. Amaxton to the world. Gunwood production. Get used to this rhythm. Brand new. Hot.
When music is nice, you gotta play twice.
True that, my lady. Here goes by the name of Amaxton. African rhythm, brand new.
Chango betse ine kwasunda apana mamonya ndo vatomera
Mataptunda.